Leadfuze is a powerful lead generation platform designed to help businesses find, verify, and connect with potential prospects. Here's a beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Leadfuze. Sign up and log in. Start by signing up for an account on the Leadfuze website. Once registered, log in to access the dashboard. Create a search. Use the Fuse feature to define your ideal customer profile. You can filter leads by job title, company size, industry, location, and more. Leadfuze helps you build custom lists of leads that match your criteria. Build and verify lead lists. Once your search is set, Leadfuze provides you with a list of verified prospects, including their contact details. You can export these leads directly to a CSV file or integrate them into your CRM. Fuse and autofill. Use Fuse to search for prospects across multiple platforms and automatically capture accurate data. Use autofill to generate verified emails for prospects based on their details. Reach out. After gathering leads, use them for outreach via email or phone calls to start building relationships.